For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Frigidaire EFR751 Mini Fridge. It's actually a game changer for small spaces, /n. As someone who's lived in tiny apartments and dorm rooms, I've struggled with finding ways to store my food without breaking the bank or sacrificing precious counter space, /n. Therefore, when I stumbled upon this compact fridge, I was both skeptical and intrigued. But what really caught my eye was its ability to keep drinks cold for up to 24 hours, even in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit, /n. Now you might be thinking, is it really worth the investment? Well, let's dive deeper into this mini fridge and see if it lives up to its promises. Act 1 Deep Dive. The Frigidaire EFR751 Mini Fridge is a compact appliance designed for small spaces, perfect for college dorms, offices, or even tiny apartments, /n. It has a capacity of 4.6 ft, which may not seem like a lot, but trust me when I say it's just the right amount of space for storing your essentials, /n. One thing that really impressed me was its ability to maintain consistent temperatures across all compartments, ensuring that your drinks and snacks stay fresh for hours on end, /n. But what about energy efficiency? Well, this mini fridge is Energy Star certified, meaning it uses significantly less power than traditional fridges while still providing top-notch performance. Now you might be wondering if there are any downsides to using the Frigidaire EFR751 Mini Fridge. Let's address some potential concerns, /n. One common complaint about compact fridges is their tendency to be noisy, but this one boasts a remarkably quiet operation, perfect for late-night study sessions or binge-watching your favorite shows, /n. Another consideration might be storage space. With its adjustable shelves and compartments, you can customize the interior to fit your unique needs, /n. However, I do want to note that some users have reported issues with the door seal, which can lead to minor temperature fluctuations. But don't worry, this is an easy fix with a quick adjustment. The more I used the Frigidaire EFR751 Mini Fridge, the more I realized just how versatile it was, /n. Not only does it provide a convenient place for storing food and drinks, but it also helps to keep your kitchen or office clutter-free by minimizing unnecessary trips to the full-sized fridge, /n. Therefore, whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who values convenience, this mini fridge is definitely worth considering. Act 2. Deep Dive continued. One of the standout features of the Frigidaire EFR751 Mini Fridge is its sleek and modern design, perfect for incorporating into any space, /n. The stainless steel exterior gives it a high-end look that's sure to impress your friends or colleagues, while the soft closed door ensures smooth operation even in cramped spaces, /n. But what about maintenance? Well, this mini fridge has an easy-to-clean interior with removable shelves and a crisper drawer for storing fruits and veggies, /n. Just be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning the gasket and other components. Now let's talk about some of the benefits you can expect from using the Frigidaire EFR751 Mini Fridge, /n. For one, it helps reduce food waste by keeping your perishables fresh for longer, /n. It also saves you money in the long run by minimizing trips to the grocery store and reducing energy consumption, /n. But perhaps most importantly, it provides a convenient and clutter-free solution for storing your essentials, perfect for small spaces or tight budgets. Act 3 Resolution. So is the Frigidaire EFR751 Mini Fridge worth the investment? Absolutely, /n. Not only does it deliver on its promises of compact storage and energy efficiency, but it also exceeds expectations with its sleek design and convenient features, /n. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who values convenience, this mini fridge is sure to provide years of reliable service, /n. So what are you waiting for? For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below to get your Frigidaire EFR751 Mini Fridge today.